the measurement of the sleeve already. I'm going to show you how to cut the rope sleeve. You put the rope at the middle like this. So for now I'll show the mouth. I'll show the down first. So let's go ahead and show. And then where iron the middle of the sleeve. I already iron one, so cut it into two. Don't forget that the time you are taking the sleeve allowance, don't forget to add measurements, allowance measurements. So I'll cut it into two. Cut it into two, and I'll sew it again. Okay, with I've ironed it, and then this is the rope you put inside. This is the rope. I do the rope 2 by. I'm coming. So I do the rope 2 or 1.5. 1/4 by, because I'll cut this one into 2. 1 here, 1 here. By that one to by 30. So let's go ahead and sew it and put it inside it. The rope inside. So second side, so the same thing. So let's go ahead and put the rope inside. The place you put this thing, the rope, just stitch it small. That is small. I've put the rope inside. This is the back. This is the front. If you want to do the skirt too, there are some gowns too that have some rope in front of the dress, some beside the dress. So this is how they do it. You see, our sleeve is now. We are done with our sleeve.